Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Jewelry Design Workshop. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, accessories. Just as one pays attention to their outfits, it is important the right kind of accessories are picked based on the occasion and the outfit. So we are going to discuss 5 different outfits and how you as a designer or a stylist could help your client perfect the look with the right kind of diamond as well as colored stone jewelry. Also, as promised, we will discuss a popular request from our viewers in the closing of this episode. So without wasting much time, let's get started. There's a little rule for workwear jewelry which most of us miss out on. That is the rule of 5. 5 pieces of jewelry make it a perfect workwear, which means a pair of earrings counted as 2, a chain, a bracelet and a ring makes it a perfect 5-piece statement for your workday. So here we have a pair of diamond earrings and a pendant to accentuate the look. Add a light bracelet and a ring to it and you're good to go. So be it a Western outfit or an Indian formal wear, you could use these to don the subtle look with charm. It's time to get prepped for your brunch. And we have this beautiful bracelet and a nice pair of stylish earrings to make you stand out among your friends. The traditional Indian outfit makes it a perfect choice for a wedding, and what makes it awesome is the diamond necklace and a matching pair of earrings to go with it. It's your best friend's wedding and you want to look fab without making it loud. Get the right look with these earrings, which is a perfect amalgamation of diamonds, emeralds and pearl. The pendant here adds a touch of its own. Classy and chic, this pattern of diamonds and rubies rendered to perfection is the answer to your amazing gown that needs a dash of elegance. So we've had a couple of requests from our viewers to touch upon the topic of gold rendering. Now before rendering comes the understanding of various surfaces and the effect of light on them. This is crucial before one begins rendering gold jewelry. Just like in gemstones and diamonds, we take light as the reference while rendering gold jewelry designs. So we have a few illustrations of gold surfaces that one has to focus on before designing gold jewelry. So over here we have the round or the domed surface, the flat surface, and we have the shading of the flat curved surface and the knife edge surface. Keeping this factor in mind, you could start your gold designing process. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications.